Hey guys, welcome back to LS Tech. It's your boy Lucky, and today I've got this iPhone X case. It's actually an X case, but I'm going to use it for my iPhone XS because they don't make this color anymore, but this color is currently one of my favorite. If you've been on my channel, you've seen this. I've used this color a lot in my videos. I have a lot of gadgets. You can see I'm wearing the same color, but yeah, this case retails for $49 on Amazon, guys. I'll leave a link in the description, but it's called marine green. Google calls it aqua color, but I've got it in my Apple Watch strap as well as the Google Home Mini, as you can see. But this is the packaging itself. I've already opened it up just to make sure everything fits, which it does, but it's a simple packaging, nothing too much here from Apple. I've just got iPhone X silicone case. So this one retails for £49, guys. I'll leave a link in the description if you do want to check it out. But yeah, so let's just peel this off. Very simple, and you have the case itself. So the case inside is wrapped in this fabric to protect your phone, and you've got a nice cutout for all of your buttons and as well as your camera hole, and the buttons are just plastic as well, so silicone. But yeah, nothing too much. They match with my gadgets, as you can see, as well as my top, which I like the most. But yeah, let's put the case in and see how well that looks. So as you can see, guys, the fit is perfect, even though Apple did state the iPhone X and X has a different cutout, but you can see a tiny bit, but you won't notice. Everything else seems nice. The buttons works well, so that's good. And you've got a cutout for your mute switch as well, which is really great. As you can see, the color looks so nice, and you probably by now you know I'm a big fan of this color. I don't know why everyone calls it a different color, but it looks really nice. It goes well with my Apple Watch and on my top and on my Google Home because I've picked up the aqua color. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. I just wanted to pick it up. I wanted to pick it up because it's currently my favorite color, so I thought I would share this video with you guys so you can see how well it is, and it just looks amazing. The build quality is nice. It's from Apple. It's a silicone case. I know it's expensive. It's £50. You can get cheaper ones from Amazon and eBay, but I just wanted this color because it will really go well with my color theme, so I picked it up. But yeah, I'm very happy with it. There's nothing here to complain, guys. It's a nice case. It does the job, and that's what I'm happy about. But yeah, that was just my quick video on the aqua green silicone case for the iPhone X. It is coming for iPhone 8 Plus and 8 as well, so if you do want to check it out, you can do that. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Take care.